Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this is the second part of Sophos Firewall services where we will learn how to put a service in the debug mode using the GUI, and there is one service which is SSLVPN, which we can only enable and put in the debug mode using the GUI only because there is no option to enable it using the CLI. So make sure you have configured the SSL VPN in the firewall so that you will get its status in the running state. Otherwise, you may get its status as untouched or unregistered. So if I will show you in the CLI, and there is a command service -s grep SSL VPN. Okay, so currently its status is showing as running because I have already configured the SSL VPN tunnel. So let's see what happened or what does it shows if we delete this SSL VPN configuration. So I had already configured this one, so let me delete this one and check its status again. Okay, it appears we are already using the group. Let's remove this one. Okay, so here we have successfully removed this channel. So let's check the VPN status again. Okay, so here you can see that the current status of the SSL VPN service is showing as unregistered after deleting the existing configuration or when there is no SSL VPN configured. So make sure you always remember this one. If there is no service configured regarding that particular module like SSL VPN, so its status would be considered as unregistered. Now we will configure the SSL VPN configuration again. Let me define it manually. Here I will define the policy name as test. Policy member, I'm selecting the open group. Permitted network, we can select any for the time being. Here I have created a dummy network 0.0. Then just simply apply. Now our SSL VPN configuration has been successfully configured, and we will check its SSL VPN service status again using the command service -uppercases. Okay, so here you can notice that when we didn't configure the SSL VPN, its service status was showing as unregistered. But after the configuration, it started showing the status as in the running state. So this is the minor difference that you can also observe if SSL VPN is not configured and its status is showing as unregistered, and after the configuration it started showing as in the running state. Okay, so after starting this SSL VPN log file, we can see that we have very few entries here, but we don't have any option to enable the SSL VPN service in the debug mode using the CLI. So what will we do? Just come to the SSL VPN global settings under the SSL VPN section, and here you will get the option debug settings. To enable this option and then click apply. Here we go. We have enabled the SSL VPN logs in the debug modes. Once your troubleshooting has been completed, you have unchecked this debug option from the SSLVPN global settings, because if you will keep the settings open, it may consume the resources in the background and impact the firewall performance. So it is better disable this option after the troubleshooting. All about how to enable a service in the debug mode using the GUI. So if you found this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe. And if you have any queries in this regard, just drop a comment and I will definitely answer all of your queries. And thank you again for watching this video and for your time. Have a great day. Take care. Goodbye.